Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm sharing a beauty review. I'm sharing my honest thoughts about the Wavytalk Glowtime LED Light Therapy Mask. Many of you know that I love fashion and femininity and all things pink, but what you may not know is that I absolutely love skincare devices, pretty much everything within that realm. I may have mentioned this before, but I actually used to work for a dermatologist for many years. This was after I had graduated from college and I didn't really want to do any more schooling, so I just took my love of skincare with me. Preventative care is really big right now, and I feel like LED light therapy masks are leading the way. They are everywhere, and chances are you've seen them on social media. But let me tell you that not every light therapy mask is created equally. I love a good science experiment, so I decided to try the Wavytalk Glowtime LED mask for 2 weeks just to see how it does. So let's get into it. The Wavytalk Glowtime LED mask comes with everything you see here, including the mask, adjustable straps, protective eye pads, remote control, charging cable, and storage bag. This mask has 456 FDA cleared LED chips, an enhanced T-zone and U-zone design, 850 nm near infrared light, and is FDA cleared and third-party tested. When you're looking for an LED light therapy mask, there are a few things to consider. You'll want to look at the overall LED chip coverage, along with light wavelengths and treatment modes, a targeted facial design, and of course, safety certifications and testing. Wavytalk has all of that, and I really love that this offers a flexible and more customized fit than other masks that I've tried in the past. I love that it offers great coverage with the lights themselves and that it has removable eye pads. I also love all of the modes. This mask has 3 different modes: red light and near infrared for anti-aging. This one smooths fine lines and wrinkles, boosts collagen and elastin, and firms and lifts sagging skin. There's also an anti-acne mode that combines blue light and red light. This one targets acne-causing bacteria, controls excess oil, and helps fade and prevent scarring. There's also a rejuvenation mode that includes amber light. This one promotes a clear, healthy glow, calms redness, and brightens dull skin. Each mode has 3 intensities, and the remote has a built-in timer for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes. You can use the mask anywhere from 3 to 5 times a week. I went with 3 times a week. I was using it about every other day, and I went with the lowest intensity and the lowest time, which was 10 minutes. The mask was super easy to use, very comfortable to wear, and I really love that it is cordless. I usually use it on the couch whenever I was watching TV or reading a book. Sometimes I would use it when I was working. You can really use it whenever. There was a time where I used it when I was cleaning the house, and I just put the little remote in my pocket and went about my day. It was super easy and really convenient. The thing about skincare and devices, and especially red light masks, is that you really have to use them consistently, and you start to see results longer term. Since I only used it for 2 weeks, I would say that I didn't see super noticeable results, which I did expect, but I did feel like my skin had more of a glow to it, and it just felt like it looked better overall. And personally, when I look at myself in the mirror, I feel like I can already tell a difference, but I do want to experiment with this more long term and see how it does. Overall, I really love the Wavytalk Glowtime LED mask. I think it is an amazing value for what you are getting. I've used other masks that are much more expensive, and I feel like this is a really great, more affordable alternative to get the same kind of treatment. And I've also used masks that have like a hard face rather than the flexible one, and let me tell you, this one is so much better. I also really love the removable eye pads because that really helps with shielding your eyes from the light. I have another mask where I had to use the little goggles, and it was just a very uncomfortable experience. I would say that I did see a little bit of light, so I feel like this could be more flush to the skin, but honestly that could just be my facial contours. I also really like that it has this little flexible thing for the nose, and I do like the mouth hole because I can, you know, drink something while I'm using my mask, although it doesn't really line up with my mouth, but again, that's just my face. And of course, I really love the convenience. I love that you can wear it whenever you're doing anything. I keep it with me by the couch so that I can just throw it on in the evenings and watch TV with my husband. So it's very convenient that way. I'm gonna keep with it and see how it does long term, but if you are interested in the Wavytalk Glowtime LED Mask, I will have a link for you down in the description box below along with a discount code. And I would love to know, have you ever used an LED light therapy mask before? Did you have great results? I want to hear all about it. Feel free to leave a comment down in the description box below. I do want to mention that this video was kindly sponsored by Wavytalk, but all opinions are my own, and this is an honest review of the product. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the thumbs up below and don't forget to share and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the community. For even more feminine fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, make sure you check out my blog, lizzieandlace.com, and don't forget to follow along on my pretty pink Instagram at Lizzie and Lace. I'll see you next time. Bye!